Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a master lock. This is number 77. Just a beautiful lock. As you can see, it's raised off of the lock there. Just gorgeous. And on the back it says Master Lock Company, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, made in USA, patented 5074. So I've come to find that this guy opens up better counterclockwise than anything. And there we go. We got her. Sweet. Since I got it open, because I don't have a key to this, you can see the it's mechanical there. It pulls that in. So really, really cool. Cool little lock, man. Like I said, it's a Master Lock 77. Thank you so much for watching. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.